Ciao a tutti e benvenuti ad Italiano Chiaro. Today we're talking about two past tenses in Italian, Passato Prossimo and Imperfetto. Specifically, we will look at how to use the verb essere or to be in these tenses. This is a key point that many learners find tricky, so let's break it down. First, let's talk about Passato Prossimo. This tense is used when you are describing a specific event that happened and is now over. For example, if you say La festa di compleanno è stata fantastica, you're saying the birthday party was fantastic. The event, the party, happened. It's complete and now it's in the past. This is the typical use of passato prossimo. Now, imperfetto is different. It's used to describe background details or ongoing states in the past. Think of it as setting the scene. For example, il mare era tranquillo e l'aria era fresca, which means the sea was calm and the air was fresh. You're describing what the setting was like without focusing on a specific event that ended. So, how do you know when to use passato prossimo versus imperfetto? Well, passato prossimo answers the question, what happened? It's for completed actions. Imperfetto, on the other hand, answers what was it like or what used to happen. It's more about describing the context or the background. Let's take a practical example. Il viaggio a Roma è stato incredibile, which means the trip to Rome was amazing. Here you're talking about the trip as a completed event. But if you say la città era piena di storia e le strade erano affascinanti, meaning the city was full of history and the streets were charming, you're describing the atmosphere or the ongoing state of the city during that trip. Can you see the difference? If you want to have a better understanding of Italian grammar and improve your conversation skills, book a lesson with me. Grazie mille for watching and see you next time.